Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you my very first luxury purchase, and you've seen it in the title so you know what it is. It is a Gucci belt, and I am just so excited to show you and share my experience with you, and of course show it to you. So before we do that, if you haven't already, please hit subscribe right down below. I would love to have you back. I do 2 new videos every week. Alright, so I am so excited to show this belt to you. I think I've said that about 20 times now. Actually, I didn't purchase the belt, my husband did. It was a Christmas gift. I was so excited when I opened it. I just freaked out. So I actually already have opened this, but I repackaged it the way it came. I made mental notes and made sure it was all exactly the same because I knew I wanted to share it with you and show it to anyone who's interested in seeing it or just the eye candy and that sort of thing. So when it did come, it came in just a normal brown box. It doesn't say Gucci anywhere, which is probably a really good thing. Opening up the box, it did say Gucci right away inside, and I flipped out, and then they have this nice, recycled, I don't know what this is called, packaging, air packaging. And you know what I do love about Gucci is that they are committed to sustainability. So go Gucci. We do not have a Gucci store anywhere near us, so we do have to order stuff like this. And so it was really important for me. I do a lot of online shopping, but I'm really conscious about the impact it has on the environment. So I love when at least the packaging is recyclable. Anyway, so you open it up and there's the receipt and return information in a Gucci envelope. And then they also included a perfume sample, actually 2 perfume samples. They have the Gucci Bloom and the Gucci Acqua di Fiori. So I haven't smelled these, let's smell them. It's very floral. If floral's your thing, it's not my thing, but if floral's your thing, that's very pretty. Ooh. That one's a crisper scent. This one's much more floral. This one's kind of crisper, a little earthier. If those are your kind of perfume scents, then that's definitely for you. Those are not kind of my perfume scents. So that is that. All right, and then the best of them all, the Gucci box. And it's just this little box. It's not too big, not too small. It's about what you would expect a belt to fit into. And of course, like I said, I have opened it before, so it looked a little more perfect than how I've done it here, but this is essentially exactly what it looks like when it comes out. So here it is. Then you take off the ribbon. So then you open the Gucci box, and inside, inside is the care instructions, the information about the ID, these things. And then of course the tissue paper with the Gucci sticker, which I very carefully took off, but I still ripped the tissue because it's like impossible. So then when you carefully take off the sticker, you can open up the tissue to reveal the bag. Dust bag with the prize inside. All right, so it comes in this nice, it's more of a satin bag that says Gucci on it, and this is perfect for storing, keeping it safe. Then when you open it up, it has some extra, what do you call this, wrapping, packaging, of course, to keep it very soft. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, so as you can see, I got just the traditional double G leather belt in black, and this is the 0.8 width size. So you can get it in the 0.8 and the 1.5-ish, I believe. And of course you can get it in different styles and different, buckles, but this is the size I wanted because I wanted to be able to wear this anywhere and not feel like I had this huge Gucci logo on my waist and didn't have to worry about wearing it to work and people noticing it too much, because that seems really, I don't want to say show-offy. I think it's fine when you're on the street, but when I'm at work, I want to be really subtle about any sort of luxury item, and so I wanted to go with the small one that people may or may not notice. So I am a size 4 and I went with a size 80 for the belt. I could have done an 85. That probably would have hit perfectly to hit this middle hole. You want to hit on the 3rd hole. There are 5 holes. Ultimately, for a perfect fit, you want to hit on the middle hole. I, however, do not like a lot of tag on my belts, and so I wanted it to fit on the 2nd hole, and so I sized down to an 80, and it fits just perfectly for where I wear pants on my hips. So if you've watched my channel before, you've seen me talk about the Gucci belt and that I got the Express knockoff to see if it was something I really wanted. I ended up wearing it a lot, and so it was really fun to have a belt that I could feel a little fancy and feel a little more fashionable and dressed up, and it was just something simple I could add to a lot of clothes I already had. It wasn't just buying one piece that I wear once a week or once a month to make me feel special. A belt is something you can wear multiple times and pair with multiple different kinds of outfits that you can really dress up or dress down. And so the Express belt I got was a black and silver, and so I was really wanting a black and gold belt. The one I have, you've probably seen it in my other videos, just my black and gold belt. It sucks. I hate it. It doesn't fit me. It doesn't look good. And so this is just a great alternative to a black and gold belt. And I do really like that it's the smaller one. I know all of the bloggers and everyone on Pinterest is obsessed with the big, it's about twice the size of this, it's huge, double G buckle. And while I think that looks really great in pictures, I feel like it can be really overwhelming in just everyday life to wear such a huge belt. I'm not dishing on anyone who wears the big belts. I love them. I know for me, I'm not really loud about the brands that I wear, and so I wanted something that was really understated that I could wear to work and not feel uncomfortable that like people were judging me. I love this belt, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's looking to dabble a little more into the luxury industry. Of course, I've had luxury purchases if you count sunglasses, but most people do sunglasses, and so this seemed like a little bit of the next step up between sunglasses and, you know, a $5,000 purse. So we're getting there, right? So again, this is such a great classic piece if you're looking to just update your wardrobe. Update's not even the right word. Like, just make your wardrobe a little more classy. This is the perfect way to do it because it applies to everything you already have. So I totally recommend adding this belt, and this one in particular, the smaller one, which I know is not the popular one, but I really do love this, and I think it's a really great pick for if you're deciding if you want to buy a Gucci belt. I love this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I am more than happy to answer any questions you have. Please subscribe. I would love to have you back. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Jules, and I will see you in my next video, which will pop up right there. So stay tuned. Bye.